Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Malai based curries are something that I really enjoy, especially when I want to have something really mild and soothing. So today I'm going to share one such side dish recipe with all of you. It's called Malai Methi Matar Curry. As the name itself says, it's about fresh matar and methi leaves cooked in a Malai based gravy. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The first step is to make the masala paste for the gravy. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, pour enough oil. Next, add all the whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and half teaspoon of cumin. Next, add about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger roughly chopped. Next, I'm adding about 5 green chillies just cut up. Now you can adjust the spice according to your taste. If you'd like it a bit spicy, you can add extra green chillies. Next, I'm adding about 8 cashew nuts. So the cashew nuts is going to give you that nice richness to the curry. Continue sauteing all the ingredients. Now I'm going to add about 3 large onions that have been roughly chopped. Now you don't need to fine chop the onions because once we saute it, we're going to grind everything. So once the onions have turned to a golden color, turn off the stove. Cool the mixture completely. Transfer all the cooled ingredients to a mixer jar and grind it into a nice fine paste. Add a little water if required to get that nice smooth consistency. So now you can see the masala paste is nice and smooth. Keep this aside. To the pan, add a nice big piece of butter. So I'm adding a small bunch of fenugreek leaves. These are nice fresh fenugreek or methi leaves. So it's good to saute the fenugreek leaves, that is the methi leaves, because it will reduce the bitterness. So if you add the leaves directly, the curry can get bitter. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm adding a nice big bowl of cooked peas. It's a nice fresh green peas. So make sure while you're making this particular curry, the peas are nice and fresh. If you don't get fresh peas, you can also use the frozen peas, but don't use the dried peas because it's not going to give you that taste. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Next, to a nice wide pan, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Transfer the ground masala paste to the pan and just mix everything together. Next, add a teaspoon of salt. So you can adjust the salt according to your taste. So just dilute this with a little water, just about 1/4 cup. This will give you a nice gravy consistency. Maintain the flame on a low and just mix everything together. You can see we have this lovely creamy mixture. Now add the cooked peas and the fenugreek leaves, that is the methi leaves, and mix everything together along with the curry base. To make the curry all the more rich and enhance its flavors, I'm adding about half cup of fresh cream. The cream is going to make the curry very tasty and very rich. As the name indicates, it's Malai Methi Matar Curry, so we need to add that much amount of cream to make the dish very rich and tasty. Wow, you can see the curry is coming together so beautifully. It's already looking so gorgeous. So close the pan and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Wow, look how gorgeous that's looking. The Malai Methi Matar Curry is done. I'm just going to finish off by adding some crushed Kasuri Methi leaves. Just mix that in. The aroma is just absolutely amazing. So you can turn off the stove at this point and serve it nice and hot immediately with some nice hot fulkas or chapatis or any Indian bread of your choice. Like I said, it's a very mild and very flavorful dish, perfect for a nice cold afternoon or evening. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. So there is an absolutely delicious and creamy Malai Methi Matar Curry. You can enjoy this with some nice rotis, fulkas or chapatis by the side. In case you can't find fresh fenugreek leaves, you can also try making them with some Kasuri Methi. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.